Hey everyone, this is Coy with Chase Realty. Today I'm joined by Monica Lovato and Melissa, who's the Director of Development at the Barret House. We had brought 200 bananas down for the food drive that is going on, and we wanted to reach out to you to get some help for the ladies here at the Barret House for Thanksgiving. Melissa, can you tell us more about the foundation?
Sure. The Barret Foundation runs the Barret House Shelter. We serve 35 to 40 women and children every night. We provide 3 meals a day, and we provide support services for them and attend to their basic needs as well. In addition to the shelter, we actually run 4 supportive housing programs, and we partner with HUD and the city to be able to fund those programs. So, and we call them scattered sites. So we have about 60 families, I think, right now in our scattered sites, and about 35 to 40 women and children in the shelter. I know we are full in the shelter right now. As of yesterday, we have 15 kids in the shelter with us. They range from newborns to 14 right now.
Wow.
So, yeah.
So with that many people, you probably go through a lot.
We go through a lot of food. We go through a lot of food, and we go through a lot of toilet paper. So,
Well, what are the things the foundation is looking for the shelter?
Sure. So obviously, nice fresh food is always appreciated. However, non-perishables that we can keep throughout the year and kind of get us through the year are also very appreciated. With the holidays, we do pretty good until we start hitting about June, and then our shelves kind of start to look bare because you get a lot of everybody's on board for the holidays, and they sort of forget about everything else going on because summer comes, people are going on vacations, that kind of thing. So definitely kind of non-perishables and perishables would be appreciated.
Are there any other household items that people can gather that would help out?
Toilet paper. We always need toilet paper. We need toilet paper, paper towels, like the Clorox wipes. Imagine a house of 40 people. We do our best to try to keep the germs to a minimum. Lysol, Pine Sol, dish detergent, laundry detergent, any kind of thing you would go through in your household and have to replace and consume, that's what we need.
All right, everybody. So Chase Realty will be collecting these items at our office, and also we will pick them up from your house. All you have to do is gather them. We will post a list of items that are needed on the needs list. These are the priority needs. We would really appreciate your help in this, and we can really make a difference if we all come together. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.